Hi all, today I'm going to show you how to program the Garmin 220 running watch with your heart rate zones. So hopefully you've seen my other video of what to do after you've done the lactate threshold test and then gone into sports tracks and determined your average heart rate for the final 20 minutes of the time trial portion of that test. So then the next step is you go to coachmiketraining.net, and in the resources section there is a calculator, and we can put in our average heart rate and the calculator will tell you what your zones are. So for a test that's returned a heart rate of 160, I'm just going to plug that in to the calculator and you can see here it's calculated my zones. Alright, let's have a look at the watch. So first thing is to unlock it, which it already is. So I'm then going to use these up and down arrow keys here in the lower left hand corner, and I'm going to scroll down to settings, and I'm going to use this action key here to hit enter. Okay, so I'm then going to scroll down to user profile, enter. I'm going to scroll down again till I get to heart rate zones. Right. So I can scroll down and you'll see there are already settings in there for each of the zones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in new ones. Okay. Alright, so let's start off with zone 1. So I'm going to hit enter. It's going to take me into zone 1 and I'm going to set my lower limit. So I can scroll up and down with the up and down keys here and select the first two numbers. So I'm going to hit 100, I'm going to hit enter here and set it at 6 and then hit enter, and that takes me to the tick, and enter again. Rightio, so I've set zone 1 lower limit. So I will just work my way up to zone 2. I'm setting the lower limit for zone 2, which is 132. So I'm going to hit enter on the 1-3, scroll down to 2, hit enter, and enter again on the tick. I'm now going to set lower limit of zone 3, which is 143. So I'm going to hit enter on the 1-4, scroll to the 3, enter, and enter on the tick. Zone 4, the lower limit is 150. Scroll down to the 1-5, enter, scroll to the 0, and then enter again on the tick. And finally zone 5, the lower limit is 159, enter on the tick. Now you'll see there it's set zone 5 capped at 186. Well, it's picking that up from this max heart rate value, which I'm just going to set at 176. Rightio, so zone 5 is now set at 159 to 176. Zone 4 is 150 to 159. Zone 3 is 143 to 150. Zone 2 is 132 to 143. And zone 1 is 106 to 132. Okay, so it's slightly different from the calculator. The calculator just has a 1 beat difference between zones, whereas Garmin just uses the upper limit as the lower limit of the next zone. Okay, so now that you've set your zones, I suggest you watch my other video which shows you how to set up a workout in Garmin Connect, and then you can synchronize that with your watch so that every time you go in and out of the right zones it will give you an alert. Alright, so thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.